Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Chino Hills, California. We are at the, and I'm going to read this, the Shri Swaminarayan Mandir. It's a temple in Chino Hills. It's been here for probably maybe 15 years. I used to live in Chino. I remember when it was being built. I've always wanted to visit. So I came back today to check it out. They say it's most beautiful at sunset. So that's when we are here. You may not film inside any of the buildings, but I'm going to walk around the grounds, get some video, and we'll check it out. If it's your first time here, please like, please subscribe, please comment. All that fun stuff helps the algorithm build, helps the channel build. So let's check out the Shri Swaminarayan Mandir in Chino Hills, California. The detail on this is just amazing. There's one in New Jersey, Texas, Illinois, and Georgia. Was Canada, the UK, Paris. And this site was chosen because it's kind of the center of their community. It's close to the freeway for access. This is normally a fountain, but doesn't appear to be turned on right now. Up ahead is the Mandir, their temple. So they have a large visitor center. They're very nice in there. They have a gift shop. They have a restaurant. I'm going to go inside. I'll talk to you about it after. So you must have your legs, your knees, and your shoulders covered. If you don't, they will give you a sarong to wear. They're open every day, 9 to 7:30. Their last prayer is at 7. They are open to the public. Sorry for the shaky cam. I can't use my camera. I can only use my phone in here, so that's what I'm doing. Here's some detail of the carvings on the outside of the temple. All the windows inside was teak.
Other sacred objects.
These are all about the different styles of temples.
Carvings of flora, fauna, devotees, and depictions of God in their many forms. Symbolic motifs such as lotuses represent purity and spirituality.
This shows you this is the first earthquake-proof Hindu temple in the world. And it's just
are vibrant aspects of the Mandir. Events such as Diwali, the Festival of Lights, and Hori, Festival.
When I met with the gentleman inside the visitor center, the wood was all teak. It took 5,000 craftsmen 5 years to carve it all in India, and then it was shipped here. So that's all the wood is teak. I just went into the temple. Beautiful, words can't describe it. It's all intricately carved white marble. There's an audio tour available. I didn't have time to do that today. I'll definitely come back and do an audio tour because there's carvings, paintings, statuary everywhere in there. People were worshiping, so I didn't want to stick around too long because it does start pretty soon. The next prayer. So yeah, it's beautiful now. Highly recommend it. All right, thanks for watching today. It was very relaxing, very peaceful. I recommend coming out to visit if you're interested. And we'll see you next time. We'll see where the road takes us. Oh, again, please like, please subscribe, please comment, all that fun stuff. And now, we'll see you next time and we'll see where the road takes us. Goodbye, guys.